येतालो
हांव असो वयतालो न्हू हांव सकयल वयतालो मरे
आं
हांव सकयल वयतालो तो आतां खंय वयतालो हांव नको
हां.
पूण तो डायरेक्ट म्हाजेर म्हाजी गाडी पळय खंय आदी
हां
आसा त्या स्पॉटार तेणें डायरेक्ट हाडून म्हाजेर मारली आनी म्हाजी गाडी ते खांब्याक म्हाका प्रेस केलो तेणें म्हाका
हां
म्हाजेर प्रेस केलो आनी मागीर फुडें वचून त्या भुरग्याक उडयलो तेणें
भुरग्याक उडयलो
आनी हांव म्हाका जर उडयलो हांव
भुरगो एकटो आशिल्लो
भुरगो एकटाच
ओके मागीर
गाडये वयर येताले ते उलयताले ती दोगूय तो सांगता आनी तो डायरेक्ट तिकडे लोक कंट्रोल पळय ही पावलो पळय तेजेर मारले
तुजो चेडो कॉलेजींतल्यान घरा येतालो आनी तो फोक
ते वयताले गाडी भितर हा मोबायल ना आयडी कार्ड ना काय ना देवा कारगा
Side both were busy talking. No, we were just talking and he was driving on top. He just overtook a bike in front and then he went blank. I was surprised to see that the vehicle is going at the side.
Okay.
I mean, I do not know. In fact, it happened all of a sudden, within a fraction of a minute, not even a minute, a few seconds.
तुम्ही किती
And he
आणले
banged the vehicle at the side and then he came and this young boy was riding a bike behind, went and banged him.
So where to where you are going?
We are going to the electricity department.
Electricity department.
Yeah, right.
Where the electricity department is over here?
On this thing, what do you call it? I was following this thing on
Map पळयताले.
on map. I was
Map.
watching the map, not he. I
हां
was watching.
तुम्ही केजेर आणले
Wait? Outside the
हां साइडीन
हाँ सर गाड़ी चला रहा था
हाँ।
तो जब मैं गाड़ी चला रहा था बिना माई शुगर लेवल्स वर डाउन लिटिल एंड माई हेल्थ बिना सडन बैंकलेस सिकनेस आया था ना माई हैंड वाज आल्सो नॉट दैट परफेक्ट तो गाड़ी ऑफ लाइन आया था इस लाइन पे आ गया था जैसे इस लाइन में आया था तो जो ऑनवर्ड ट्रैफिक कर रहे थे ना तो उसकी वजह से मेरा साइड कार के से टच हुआ फिर बॉडी गॉट अनकंट्रोल नो ओवर स्पीडिंग नो ड्रंक एंड ड्राइव नथिंग कुछ भी वैसा ये नहीं था
आपका गुड नेम आपका
माय नेम इज शिवकिरण रेड्डी सर
यू फ्रॉम
I'm from Andhra Pradesh.
आंध्र प्रदेश ओके
You were alone driving this car?
Sorry?
Alone driving this car?
Yeah, it is allowed driving.
Where
No,
were you
I'm not allowing. I'm not alone. I'm with my known person.
आप
Mr.
कहाँ पे जा रहे थे?
Sorry,
कहाँ पे जा रहे थे आप
sir. We are going to some electrical office. Sir.
ओके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक
Yes.